Hi guys, welcome along to another edition of Build with A&E. In this episode, we're going to be showing you Jamie. Hello. Doing a lovely step detail in the morning room. We're going to be showing you Ollie knocking up some amazing architrave. So stay tuned and enjoy the show. So I'm just with Jamie in the morning room and he is working on this little step detail down here. So the one that was there before was in a really sorry state. So we've obviously decided to make it awesome, back to its former glory. And Jamie is working on it. And do you want to show us what you've done, Jay?
Okay, so basically so far I've got a glued piece of oak up so we can get our width. So we've done it in 3 separate pieces. You can see all the different pieces of oak that we've used to create this. I've put a recessed section in the bottom of it so we can put another, this is just some blockboard with some oak veneered. I'll slot that straight into there. And that'll just seal that off.
It's a nice snug bit in there. Cool.
Knocked out the plaster a little bit down here so we can make this go in both sides. This is going to sit there. Like that. Obviously we'll have a batten behind this to support this so it doesn't kick in like that.
Just keep it upright and square, yeah?
Then this sill here was all over the shop. It had like a bow and like a banana in the middle here, so we've cut that back in line with the door. And we've made another piece out of oak again, and we've put a slight angle on it as what was there before. And this is going to go here, like so. We'll glue that down as well. We don't really want to be using no fixings in this.
You don't want to see anything there, do you?
No.
How are you going to fix this on the top?
Fix this on the top?
Yeah.
I'm going to put a secret screw through here on a 45 straight down so it's in the frame of the door.
And then you'll cover it over then with that, and you'll never know.
You'll never notice that.
It's like magic.
Also using a bit of glue as well. Plenty of glue. And then we're going to finish it off because these are not quite square. So we're going to put a double architrave on the inside here. I'm going to plant a bit of 5mm PSC on here and then put an architrave on here as well. I'll show you kind of what it will look like. We're going to have one on there like that. And then one here like that. But you can imagine the PSC is going to come over slightly, so this will be slightly
a bit more, won't it, yeah?
But you'll have that effect detail there.
Looks smart, mate. And then that'll run the internal one on the frame will go to where?
The internal will go straight up, and then this one will go all the way around like architrave around early on the door.
So it's going to look like 2 pillars up each side of the window.
Yeah. Not quite there yet, but I'm going to take this out again and give it a good sand up so the finish is really good. So as you can see, it's all in, fixed up, it's solid. All that we need to do is just put the architrave around it and it's good to go.
Probably be oiled it, wouldn't it? A bit of Osmo oil or something.
As you can see where it's got wet, it will end up like that if they do stain it.
Yeah. Brings out the grey nicely, doesn't it? Wicked job, mate.
Hi guys, so basically what I'm doing today is we got existing door liner here, and like you can see it, the plasterboard overlapped the door liner there. So what we're gonna do here today, we're gonna plant a bit of timber there so it'll be flush with the plasterboard there. So when you put your architrave, will be spot on there. And then here, what I'm doing here as well is obviously these existing hinges. Obviously what I did, I cut a piece of timber there, put a lot of glue on it and let it fit there. So then I can sand it down and it'll be flush with the door liner. I'm doing exactly the same here. So I got my little bit of timber there. So I put it there. I marked it all the way around, just a bit oversized there and there. So I put this there, mark it with my pencil. So I'm gonna chisel that out and I'm gonna fit that in there so it's ready to be sanded down. so you can see, look, then one of the hinges there. I plant my little bit of timber with a lot of glue. Make sure you put a lot of glue and let it dry probably a few hours. Same as that one there. The 2 hinges that we're not gonna be using it again. And same as here, where the catch used to be. Same again, loads of glue. Leave it till a few hours, then I can sand it down. Alright guys, like you can see now what I'm doing here. This, I just cut a piece of timber there. We have PSC. So I measure the depth of the frame plus the width. So this is gonna be planted here, like that. So I'm gonna glue that, screw it, and then I'm gonna put the 2 legs all the way down. So then obviously will be flush, like you can see here, flush with the plasterboard, so ready to take the architrave. It's all done. Planted timber there, all the way, it's flush there now, ready for the architrave all the way around. Loads of glue, a few screws there. What I normally do, I put the screws 10 mil from the edge on this side. So when you put the architrave, we'll cover the hole. It doesn't need to put fillers or nothing like that. So all the way around, see it flush there. So I'm gonna leave that for tomorrow, get these nails out, sand all this down. He's ready to hinge the door. Our plants from yesterday, they're nice and dry, we left it overnight, so we haven't got no chance of movement at all. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the machine, I'm gonna sand all that down and make it nice and flush with the existing door frame. Like you can see here, what we decided to do was, obviously it's two doors there, but the architraves are completely different from each other. So we decided just remove them and add new stuff, obviously the same. Like you can see here, they're all different molds, and yeah, we decided just put a new stuff on. Like you can see here, we're gonna need to plant a bit of timber there, because obviously the plaster is raised there. So I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna plant another piece of timber all the way around, like I've done it here. And like you can see, look, I sanded down already, look, our plant there is nice and smooth, looks like new. And yeah, I'll put on time lapse so you guys can see it.
So, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you stay tuned. Tomorrow, we're going to be bringing you another episode, bit of a lockdown special, just to give you something to do if you're sat at home. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled, that'll be released tomorrow. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. You've been watching me, John, and the guys from Build with A&E. Until next time, stay safe.